Hey there, fellow gardeners! Welcome back to another episode of our gardening series. Today, I'm diving into one of my favorite topics, broad beans. These versatile legumes are a staple in many gardens, and for good reason. Specifically, we'll be discussing when to plant them out for a bountiful harvest. Timing is key to ensure you get the best yield. If you're ready to master broad bean planting, stick around. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started. First things first, timing is everything. Planting at the right time can make all the difference between a thriving garden and a disappointing one. Broad beans, also known as fava beans, are cool weather crops. They are quite hardy and can withstand cooler temperatures better than many other plants. They thrive in temperatures between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes them perfect for early spring or late fall planting. So the best time to plant them depends on your local climate. Understanding your USDA hardiness zone is crucial for planning your planting schedule. If you live in a milder climate, like USDA zones 7 to 10, you can plant broad beans in the fall. This allows the plants to establish before winter sets in. That's right. Late October to early November is prime time. The cooler temperatures help the plants grow strong roots. The beans will overwinter and be ready for harvest in early spring. This means you can enjoy fresh broad beans as one of the first crops of the season. Just imagine those fresh, vibrant beans as the first signs of spring. They're a delightful addition to any springtime meal. For those in cooler climates like zones 3 to 6, you'll want to wait until early spring. This ensures the soil is workable and the temperatures are just right. As soon as the soil can be worked, typically around March or April, it's time to plant. Make sure the soil is not too wet to avoid compacting it. Broad beans can handle a light frost, but be wary of unpredictable late frosts. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on the weather forecast. A good tip is to start seeds indoors about 4 weeks before your last expected frost date, then transplant them outside. This gives them a head start and can lead to a more robust harvest. Now let's talk preparation. Broad beans love well-draining, fertile soil. Ensuring your soil has the right texture and nutrients is key to healthy plants. Before planting, enrich your soil with compost or well-rotted manure. This provides essential nutrients and improves soil structure. They also prefer a sunny spot, but can tolerate partial shade if needed. Aim for at least 6 hours of sunlight per day for the best results. When you're ready to plant, dig holes about 2 inches deep and space the seeds 4 to 6 inches apart. Proper spacing ensures each plant has enough room to grow. If you're transplanting, make sure the seedlings are about 6 inches tall before moving them outside. This helps them establish quickly in their new environment. Water them in well and keep the soil consistently moist. Broad beans need regular watering, especially during dry spells. One last tip, consider using row covers or cloches to protect young plants from pests and unpredictable weather. This can make a big difference in their survival rate. Broad beans are usually pretty hardy, but a little extra care goes a long way. Protecting them early on ensures a healthy, productive plant. So there you have it. With the right timing and care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of broad beans. Timing your broad bean planting is crucial for a successful harvest. Plan ahead and monitor your local climate conditions. Whether you're planting in fall or early spring, a little planning can lead to a garden full of delicious, nutritious beans. They're a rewarding crop for any gardener. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from our gardening community. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting, everyone! See you next time!